we're going to start with the calculator app of our Django. So we're going to make a calculator app. So I'll go to my repository. So I'm inside my repository. So I'll click on new terminal. So what we need to do? So the very first command we are going to type is Django admin start project Django projects. So in the end you define your project's name. So I've defined the Django project as my projects. So here you can see the Django projects folder has been created. So I'll move to inside my Django projects. Okay, fine. So I'll have a manage.py file inside this. Okay, yeah, this is absolutely fine. So I'll do okay, one thing we can do, what I can do is I'll type python manage.py. Okay, run server. I'll do first run server. So this should start the server on my local machine. Yes, the server has started. So I'll type local host colon local. Okay, so sorry for the mistake. So local host colon 8000. Okay, yeah, here you can see the server has started. Local host colon 8000. Or you can move to this as well, 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. Okay, so yeah, now I type python manage.py start app calculator app later app. Okay, I hope I'm correct with the spelling. Yes, calculator app. Okay, so the calculator app is created. Okay, so what you can do, okay, Django projects, here you can see that our app is at the same directory level with the manage.py file. Okay, now one thing you can do, I'll create a virtual environment here. So you need to you might have to install a virtual environment package as well. Yeah, so I'll type virtual env my env. So this would create an environment variable inside the project. So yes, I hope the environment variable has been created. Okay, for this virtual env, I would in case it throws an error, so you might have to install a virtual environment package using pip. I guess it's pip install virtual env. It's simple, or maybe I'll update this in next video. Okay, if it throws an error. Okay, so you can check out on the documentation as well. Okay, so I have created a virtual env. So what I need to do, so now I'll have to activate my virtual environment, my env slash scripts slash activate. Okay, you please make sure of the direction in the slash symbol is defined. Okay, now you can see the virtual env has been activated. Now I'll type python manage.py. Sorry, okay, I'm really sorry for this. What you need to do now, if I start my server, it won't start. So I need to define. Okay, even I can try this out. Python manage.py start out. Okay, now start app. Sorry, run server. So what you can see, it could not import Django because inside my environment Django is not installed. So I'll quickly install Django inside my environment variable pip install Django. Okay, so the Django will be installed in the like it will be installed in the environment variable. So by the time I'll give you a brief overview. So like basically we are going to define the template directory, static files. Like now we have created the project, we have created the app. Now we are going to create a requirements.txt file as well. So this will be all about development environment. Then like in the upcoming, we are going to work with front end part, then back end part, then error handling. So basically some new designs as well to how we can make our app beautiful, like in the front end part responsive. So we're going to cover them as well. Okay, so let's move to this. Okay, yeah, it's getting installed. Okay, so basically what we are going to do, we are take the input from the user. It will help us to we will take input from the user, then we will like even the mathematical inputs can have some error. We'll check errors as like division by zero error, we check some error handling and this at that level as well. Okay, so yeah, now here you can see your environment has been installed, and I'll type pip freeze requirements dot txt. Okay, yeah, here you can see the requirement.txt has been created. So I'll move to requirement.txt. Now here you can see, like, now if you want to do, we can also do one thing, you can type control F, and you can simply type quick equal to uh, I have tried this thing, like you can replace with this with greater than equal to sign. Like this would help you, like in if in any like in any other like in upcoming if there's any another version like 3.0.4. So like 3.0.4, so like in any future, if you have a new version, so this would update to that version because it has a greater than equal to sign. So any version greater than equal to 3.0.4 will be updated. So you can apply this to your requirements.txt file to get updated, or if it might throw error, you can revert back to this with the equal to sign. Okay, you can simply do greater than equal to, then replace with equal to sign. Okay, you can try this out. Okay, so because I have tried this once. Okay, so now the requirement.txt file has been created. Now we will move to our settings.py file quickly. Okay, this is the settings.py file. Okay, so one thing you need to define, os.path.join. Okay, I'll define base directory. Yeah, good. And templates. Okay, okay, yeah, good. And I'll define a static URL is equal to URL, and you need to define static file directory as os.path.join base directory and static folder. I quickly copy this. Yes, good. Yes, so I'll do this. I'll move into my Django projects. Okay, so what do you need to do? So at this level you need to define two folders. One is templates, good. Another is static. Okay, so this is good. Okay, and what we are going to do now, what you can do, like we are going to move to our urls.py file. Okay, so yeah, so this is include path comma include. Okay, and you can define a path to here as calculator app include calculator data. Okay, calculator app dot urls. Okay, so I'll run my server, but okay, now I'm inside my calculator app, so I'll create a new file, urls.py file here. So basically, okay, I'll do one thing. Yes, new file, urls.py, fine, absolutely fine. And from here, what I can do, I'll quickly copy this, paste it here, good. And I'll define URL patterns as well. Okay, 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 I'll define from dot import views. So this would bind my urls.py file to views, and I'll give views views dot index name is equal to index. Yes, okay, but I have to go to my views.py file as well. Yes, that's why I'll define def index request okay, and I'll define from Django dot http import http response at least response, yes, good, and return http response server started. Okay, so this should work now. Python main.py run server. I hope there's no error. Yes. Okay, and I'll move to calculator. Yeah, good, absolutely fine. So we are right now. I have created the development environment. So like just for the last few seconds, I was like while I was doing something, I was implementing it. So like I'll give quick overview. Settings.py file. You're done. You are good. So what I try to do that on the calculator app. Okay, so basically I used to like in the previous tutorial I used to keep it as a blank, but right now I've done this as localhost calculator app because there might be a possibility that we might be creating many apps into this single project. Okay, so like on this calculator app route, like if I go to this route, like I here you can see calculator app server started, but if I move to this, so this is the slash admin. Okay, we'll be discussing about Django admin as well, so I'll try to fix this error in the next tutorial. Till then you can move to localhost colon 8000 calculator app. So like here you can see the server has started. So like in this it included the calculator app.urls, and now like in this path views.index was called, and I return an HTTP response of server started. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll catch up in the next lecture, and even I'll try to look at that error as well. So thank you guys.